10 Geography, Chapter 1, Resource and Development. Question 1. Name the way which help sand dune to stabilization. Okay, sand dunes stabilization. Sand dunes, that means stabilize means एक जगह रहने में मदद करता है. ओके, सो नेम द वे, वो बताना है तुमको. ओके, सो आंसर इज शेल्टर बेल्ट. ओके, शेल्टर बेल्ट contributes significantly to the established of sand dunes. Okay, what used to happen if you will go or move toward the Rajasthan areas? Okay, so you will have a formation of sand dunes, just higher areas. So what used to happen, due to the flows of the you know airs, this may be dispersed here and there. So what used to happen, so during just in these areas, just the planted are, just you can say, maybe planted in this way. So what used to happen, so the sands may not be, just you can say, move here and there. Even when you can say that during the agriculture, okay, these all are the lands, and the upper layers of the soil is fertile. So if you have to conserve and preserve this resource or upper layer of the soils, so all around the agricultural lands these trees may be planted. Okay, and in this way, from the pressures of the airs, you can save your agricultural lands. Okay, so this is the shelter belt used significantly of, just you can say, sand dunes. Okay, next question. From which 5-year plan India has made concerted effort for achieving the goals of resource planning? Obviously, from the first 5-year plan. From the first 5-year plan. Okay, first 5-year plan means to say that 1951. From 1951. Next it is, name two types of renewable resources. Two types of renewable resources. Okay, so it may be the continuous and biological resources. Okay, renewable resources, there are lots of renewable resources. You can say solar energy, wind energy, water energy. These all are renewable resources. Question 4. Who wrote the book Small is Beautiful? Okay, this is Sumakar. We have discussed earlier that the Sumakar was a disciple of Gandhiji philosophy. Okay, and he wrote a book regarding the conservation of natural resources. Okay, in his book Sumakar. Small is beautiful. So do keep in your mind always, you may have the question in your examination, Small is Beautiful book written by whom? Okay, question 5. Give any two factors which determine the land use patterns of nation. Land use pattern of nation. Okay, obviously you can say topography and population. Okay, topography and population are two factors which use in land use pattern of any nation. Okay, question 6. Name the institution which is empowered by the government of India to acquire the land. बोला गया कि एक इंस्टीट्यूशंस का नाम बताओ जो एम्पावर्ड करता है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को कि वो लैंड्स को जो है वो एक्वायर कर सकता है. ओके, यानी लैंड जो है वो ले सकता है. सो दिस इज अर्बन डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी. सो वन थिंग्स आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस हियर. Suppose that the government are going to you know increase the length and width of the road. So what used to happen, if suppose that your road is coming near to the roadside, land is coming to the roadside, so what used to happen in this way, the governments may have power to acquire your lands. Either it may provide some compensations. So this is the responsibility have been given to the urban development authority. Okay, next. How many degraded land is present in India? Degraded land. Degraded land means the land which have lost their fertility. So obviously there is 130 million hectares. Do keep in your mind, this is a question may ask in the examination. Degraded land in India. Okay, next question 8. Okay, just we have, okay, and strip just left that may be past the waters. Cropping we were getting discussed, so you can say that this is just you can say that break the forces of wind, the strip cropping. Okay, and in this way your agricultural lands may be safe. So this is the process is known as strip cropping. Okay, in the same way, small is beautiful, Sumakar. Okay, do keep in your mind. Question 10. Name any two nutrients which are found in the black soil. Two nutrients in the black soil. This is calcium carbonate and magnesium. Do keep in your mind. This is the questions always asked in the examination. Possible in these areas. Okay, so obviously western and central Himalayas of India. Okay, western parts of Himalaya and the central Himalaya is famous for the terrace farming, and in these areas the terrace farming is practiced. Question 12. Name the soil which is suitable for the croppings of cashew nut. We have discussed in the types of soil. Okay, so this is red laterite soil. Okay, laterite soil is famous for the cultivations of cashew nut. Okay, next, the next 13 questions. Okay, mention the reason due to which red soil look like red. Just this is a very GK type questions. Red soil look like red. Why? So obviously this is there is a diffusions of iron. Okay, this soil develop reddish due to the diffusions of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Okay, in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Just do keep in your mind. Next question. Question 14. Name the nutrients in which black soil is poor. Okay. Name the nutrients in which black soil is poor. So obviously there is a phosphoric contents. Next. Question 15. In which state overgrazing is the main reasons of land degradation? Overgrazing. That means overgrazing. Do keep in your mind. This is Gujarat. Maximum you know the dairy products, there is Anand in Gujarat, famous for the dairy productions. So there may be related with the cow. So overgrazing means obviously there may be the herders of animals. Okay, so Gujarat is famous for the overgrazing, land degradation. Next question it is, ओवरग्रेजिंग मतलब जानवरों को ज़्यादा चरने से, ठीक है, ज़्यादा चरने से जो लैंड का नेचुरल क्वालिटी है वो लॉस हो जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 16. Name the soils which are known or well known for their capacity to hold the moisture. Okay, capacity to hold the moisture, जो मॉइस्चर्स को ज़्यादा देर तक होल्ड करके रख सकता है, उस सोइल का नाम बताओ. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज ब्लैक सोइल. ओके, ब्लैक सोइल. क्वेश्चन 17. Why are the lower horizon of the soil occupied by कंकर? ओके, बताया गया कि जो रिवर फ्लोज होता है और उसके लास्ट जस्ट या सपोज दैट अगर माउंटेन से रिवर निकल रहा है, ओके, रिवर निकल रहा है तो क्या होता है, बताया गया कि जो रिवर का लास्ट एरियाज है यहाँ पर कंकर का नोडल्स पाया जाता है. ठीक है, लोअर हरिजन में. क्यों? तो बताया गया कि बिकॉज वहाँ पर जो कैल्शियम कॉन्टेंट्स है वो जो है वो ज़्यादा पाया जाता है, इसलिए वहाँ पर कंकर का नोडुल्स जो है वो पाया जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. वेन where was the first international earth summit held? Okay, obviously we have discussed Rio de Janeiro in Brazil in 1992. Why this summit held? Because the 100 heads of the country just gathered in the Rio de Janeiro. Okay, and these some matters were discussed, and this is known as agenda 21 have been discussed, like poverty, like how to save to our earth from the globalizations, even biological damage. Okay, so these all are the matters were discussed in the agenda 21 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, 1922. Next question it is, the next question it is question 19. Okay, which region, which region of India is known as basalt region? Which regions known as basalt region? Okay, obviously this is the Deccan Plateaus area, which is northwest area of the Deccan Plateau. Northwest regions of the Deccan Plateau is known as basalt region. Okay, question 20. Where the land resource is known as badland? Okay, we have discussed the badland in Chambal Basin. Okay, in Chambal Basin, the land resource is known as badland, and the question may be asked, what is the lands in the Chambal Basin known? So the answer would be badlands.